The slice function in Python gives you a slice object that you can store in a variable and reuse for multiple slices. Its functionality is identical to regular string, list, or tuple slicing. When you provide two values to the slice function, you're specifying the index to start at and one short of the index to stop at. From this code, slicing the list 1 through 5 with the numbers 0 and 2 slices the list from 0 to 1, meaning the list containing 1 and 2. If you give one value to the slice function, the slices from the start to 1 less than the value you provide. From this code, that means slice from 0 to 1 less than 1, meaning just 0, so you'll get a list with just 1. If you give the first value and then make the second value none, that slices from the first value to the end of the list. So this code will give you the list from 2 to 4. If you give 3 values, that's the start value, 1 short of the stop value, and then the step value. This code starts at 0, goes to 1 less than 5, and does every other value. So that slices the list and gives you a list with the values 1, 3, and 5. To do that reverse slicing trick I'm sure you're familiar with from regular slicing, you specify none, none, and -1. This reverses whatever you are slicing, so the list will go from 1, 2, 3 to 3, 2, 1. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking it to support the channel. If you're trying to learn to code, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in Python's built-in methods, check out the playlist on screen now or in the link in the description. Ciao.